بعدين اكتشفت كومبلكس فراكتال، بقيت هيك أشوف الفيديوهات باحاول إني أفهم الاستراتيجية من الفيديوهات. كانت في صعوبات في البداية، مثلًا بافتح الشارت بهذا الشكل، ما باعرف من وين بابلش من هون، من هون، ما كانت عندي رؤية واضحة. بعدين قُلت أوكي خلّيني بابلش آخذ الدورة معهم، أشوف كيف الوضع.
Right. Hello everybody. Today I will explain this trade we have taken right here at this level right here. Okay, and we take the trade under this target right here. I close my trade before the before the take profit. I was planning to take a profit at this level right here. Okay, 2,527. Okay, but because it's Friday, okay, and the markets will close, I will opt to exit my trade at this level right here, and this is so important. Don't let running trades during the weekend. Okay, so now let's move to the chart and explain the idea behind this trade, why I take a short position from this level right here. Okay, so for those who are on the session 3 and above, they know the model. Okay, which model? We are talking about the Y model. Okay, so why I always draw the Y model in this way, because as we have seen during the mentorship, that the Y model, or the child wave of the model, will be a high quality one when I found it at this level right here at the bottom of the curve. Okay, it's the same example we have studied all of us during the mentorship. Okay, on the 30-minute chart, this example right here. Okay, we have the first Y model. Okay, we have the second one. These are our child waves, and this one at this level right here, okay, at this area, the bottom of the chart, is the high quality one. Okay, and these child waves are self-similar to our mother wave. Okay, so nothing will change, the same idea, the same model, just we change the time frame. We go to the 1-minute chart. Okay, so right here, when I come to this area, okay, I will add a new thing today. I think no one who take the mentorship have this idea, but it will be a good opportunity in this trade to get this full confirmation. Okay, so now as we have used to do always, we try to read the psychology of the trend. Okay, so when I come to this area right here, this trend, okay, I will try to read my psychology, okay, how it works. So first of all, I see that the price right here go on a downtrend, okay. Then I have like we say 70%, 80% pullback, and then downtrend to break this low, okay. And then now let's move on, okay. Right here, another time, we can see that we have a downtrend, okay, and then we have an uptrend, 70-80% pullback, and then a downtrend to break this low. Okay, let's move on. Another time right here, okay, we see that the trend go on a downtrend, 70% pullback, and then the price go down, okay, to break this low. Another time, the price right here, I have like 70%, 80% pullback, and then the price go down to break this low. So now when I start studying or reading this trend, okay, the psychology of this trend, I have a plan in my mind that these child waves right here that we have seen, all of them right here, are moving in this way. Downtrend, then 70-80%, okay, pullback, and then I have a strong downtrend to break this low. So right here, I will classify my study case, okay, as the Y model. Okay, I'm studying the chart that it maybe contains the Y model in this case. Okay, so now I start planning that if the child waves are moving in this way, so the mother wave, maybe it will move in this way. I have a downtrend, then I will have an uptrend, 70-80%, and then a downtrend to break this low, okay? So, and as we said before, that I draw always the Y model in this way to make sure that people memorize that we find the model at the bottom of the curve, okay? So right here, in this curve right here, when the price is going in this way, we'll find our fractal right here at the bottom of the curve. It's the same thing. So this is the Y model, the mother wave, and this is the child wave, okay? So we discussed it during the mentorship always that in the Y model, okay, in this case, my take a profit will be the breakout of the low of the big curve, okay? So right here, okay, I can see that this movement right here, okay, this lower low right here is self-similar to this lower low right here, okay? That's why I take my short position right here. Okay, so what we have seen during the mentorship, okay, that I will take my short position at this level exactly, okay? When I take the position, I think that I have like 10 or 15 pips drawdown, okay? There is no problem. But my stop loss, I can't put my stop loss at these levels right here. My stop loss should be exactly at this high, okay? Why I should be exactly at this high? Because my fractal or my child wave right here is moving in this way, okay? I have a lower low. So if I have on the chart a higher high, that means that I recognize the wrong fractal, okay? So I will admit that my analysis is wrong when I have a breakout of this high right here. So my stop loss should be right here. It shouldn't be lower than this level or upper or bigger than this level. It should be exactly right here. And this is why I like the Y model, okay? Because when I have a pullback like this one, 70, 80%, my stop loss will be very tiny, okay? Now for the take profit, we said that in the Y model, I will target the low of the curve, okay? So right here, normally my take profit will be at this low, okay? So it's so it's 5.5 risk to reward ratio. It's not that bad, okay? It's a good trade, but how I can increase my take profit, okay? Okay, so I will see that this. So now, in this case, I want you, when you are working with the Y model, okay, in this way, okay, this is my Y model, okay. Now, I want you, especially when you are working with the child wave, that it was located at this level of the chart, at the bottom of the curve, okay. When you are working with this model and you find the fractal or the child wave at this level, you will look for the uptrend before the Y model, okay? Why? Because if I come here to the chart, okay, now let's pay attention. We see that here we have the Y model, okay? Now I will also take or put in mind this uptrend right here before the Y model. So it becomes in this way. It will become like an M model, okay? In some cases right here, it shouldn't always be like lower low, okay? Sometimes the trend of my psychology will be a higher high, okay? My Y model will be a higher high, and then I will have a short position, okay? So right here, I will add or put in mind this uptrend. Why? Because this uptrend could be the same one right here, the uptrend. Okay, so sorry for this. So we have this Y right here is self-similar with this one. We have seen all of us during the mentorship, this model, okay? And we say that we will take for guaranteed, if I want to trade guaranteed trade, I will put my take profit right here, okay? But if I want now to become more professional, I want to increase my risk reward ratio because I got a good entry point, okay, with a small stop loss. How I can profit the maximum from this trade? If the price is going on my side, I want always to maximize my profits, okay? So right here, I can see that when I add this uptrend, that is self-similar to this one right here. And then I have this Y model. I have this Y model. Now I can see that the price on the fractal will go and break this low, okay? This low right here, that is the same low right here. So that's why when I post the screenshot on the channel, I put my take profit right here. So now with this just small idea or small uptrend that I have right here and recognize that is the same one right here, I was able to add make my take profit bigger. Okay, so now I want to look for more confirmation so I can say that this uptrend is the same one right here. Okay, so if I cut my fractal now, okay, in this way, and now I will scale my fractal, okay, and I will pay attention to just a little tip that can make me more comfortable or sure with my fractal, okay? If I take my Fibonacci on my fractal and draw it from point A to point B, okay, I can see that the price will go and break 0.618 and then give me the Y model, okay? So the price right here rejects from 0.618, okay? So I will also take my Fibonacci from this low, okay, to this high right here. And I can see that the price right here rejects from 0.600, it breaks 0.600 as the fractal and then the price. So today when I was trading, okay, and recognize that this uptrend is the same one right here. And when I see the rejection from the same level of Fibonacci, I become more confident that this one will continue going down to break this low, okay? So for those who were watching the video and take the third session where we see the all fractal models, you should focus now on this uptrend right here. Okay, I will repeat. You should focus on this uptrend only when you are working with the child wave that is located on the Y model at this area right here. Okay, you should focus on the uptrend. Okay, because it will help you to increase your take profit. Okay, and have a good risk to reward ratio. I think like nine risk to reward ratio is very, very good. Okay. So, and for those who are watching this video, okay, I will record the video and still don't see the session 3, have the session 3, don't worry, we will go through this model. Okay. So that's it for today. I think also I have before taken a trade with the model where I have a breakout and have a higher high. I will try to find the example and do video about this one. And that's it. Okay, thank you so much. See you in other sessions.